Today we're going to be talking about unit form. So before we start unit form, I wanted to re-go over standard form. And I wanted to go over expanded form as well. So standard form is how the number is normally written. So for example, we're going to show, and I'm actually going to move this down here, that way we can talk about it last. I'm going to show an example of a number. Let's try 423. So the standard form of 423 is 423. Pretty easy, right? Standard form is how the number is normally written. Now, expanded form is a little different. With expanded form, we look at the number, we look at the place values of the numbers. So 423 would be written with hundreds, tens, and ones. So 400 plus 20 plus 3. That will be our expanded form. So we look at the first number in each digit of the place values, and then we just write the number closest to the place of the number. So for example, 423, this 4 matches this 400 because 423, that the hundreds place is 4, which will make 400. The same thing with 20 with the tens place, and the same thing with 1 on the ones place. Well, 3 on the ones place. Now, unit form is a little interesting because with unit form, what we're looking at is writing it out. So, for example, when we have 423, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. So, how many hundreds do we have? We have 4 hundreds. How many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. And how many ones do we have? We have 3 ones. And this is what we're talking about with unit form. You notice how we write out the number, and then we say what number's here. So, or what place value is here. So, 4 is in the hundreds, 2 is in the tens, and 3 is in the ones. Let's go ahead and try one more unit form. So, let's try 789. So what is our first place? It's going to be our 100. What is our second place? It's going to be our 10. And what is our third place? It's going to be our ones. So I did say that a little weird, so I'm going to rephrase it. What is our we have 100, and then we have tens, and then we have ones. So how many hundreds do we have? We have 7. How many tens do we have? We have 8. How many ones do we have? We have 9. And with standard form and unit form and expanded form, this is pretty much it. So if you need any extra support, I did make another standard form and and expanded form lesson. You can go back to that, or you can watch this one a couple times. Either way is okay. And as always, have an awesome day.